SDSU's Exercise and Nutritional Sciences building was closed Monday after a report of a single case on campus of Legionnaires, which is a form of pneumonia. San Diego County Health Officer Dr. Cameron Kaiser says people with lung conditions and weak immune systems are most vulnerable.
And while it can be treated with antibiotics, the fatality rate unfortunately can be as high as 25% in those people who are vulnerable, and there is no vaccine. But fortunately, the good news is that most people will never get infected, let alone sick, even if they're exposed.
He says people get the disease by breathing in Legionella bacteria when water becomes an aerosol.
It is usually found naturally in fresh water and can sometimes contaminate things like water tanks, showers, hot tubs where people might breathe in the mist.
Kaiser says they're working with SDSU to get the building tested and evaluated. SDSU said in a statement they don't know if the building is the source of the bacteria or how the person who is sick was connected to the building.
Just because somebody sick with Legionella lives or works in a particular building doesn't mean they got it there, and almost certainly doesn't mean that they've infected the building.
Most students we spoke with had no idea what it was, and the ones who did, like Ana Claudia Uribe, did not know there was a case on campus.
Communication on their part is really important because they don't really talk to us about a lot of things that could have underlying health conditions for us in the future.
But a few, like Patrick Harris Ritter, felt confident the university had everything under control.
This is a serious issue, but I do trust that the SDSU Health Department is doing their utmost to protect me and all these students on campus.
If the bacteria is found in the air conditioning system, the building will have to be closed for months.
Again, can't say at this point whether the SDSU building is even involved in this particular case, but we always want to make sure that when we're dealing with a large air conditioning system that it's as clean as possible, because that can be a great way to infect a lot of people at once.
Symptoms resemble other illnesses going around, like the flu and COVID.
Because it is, after all, a pneumonia. You can get cough, fever, and shortness of breath.
It does feel like we can't catch a break.
According to SDSU, the infected person is recovering off campus, and everyone is asked to stay away from the building and check if their classes will be moved online. Kitty Alvarado, KPBS News.